Hi, let's look in Total Parts Pro today with 2012 Toyota Camry, stock number 6808. It's ran from 2011 to 10th 2017. It has a 2RE FE 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2AR FE 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand taillight, rear boot lid 1 dent, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door 2 dents, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.